Hey guys.
Welcome to our channel, and it is week 8 of renovations here at the Gray Cottage. My parents bought this house back in January of 2020 as an investment property. They decided that they wanted to transition the house into a short-term rental, but the house needed to be updated, and that's where we come in. My husband Obie and I, along with our baby, moved from Georgia in February of this year and moved into a camper that we had renovated. Our original plan was to live in the camper while we built a house, but we soon realized that this was going to take longer to build than we first expected, and the camper just wasn't going to be best for a long-term living situation. So my parents graciously offered to let us live in this house in exchange of renovating it for them. So the last 8 weeks have been busy with renovations, and the house is almost unrecognizable from what it looked like just a few weeks ago. So we've done all the work ourselves, from removing an old chimney to installing new ceilings to new flooring and painting everything, refinishing the old floors, and so much more. If you have been following along on this journey, then you know we have put many hours into this project. And thankfully, all the hard work has paid off, and we have been able to move into the house last week. We still have some work to do on the house, but the house is now livable, so we decided to move in and continue to renovate. So that's a quick overview of our journey thus far. Now let's get to renovating. So for this week of renovations, I was tired of looking at this ugly kitchen wall, so I decided to put shiplap on it. This is shiplap that we have made using Luan sheets that we stripped down on a table saw into 6-inch boards and then painted them. I didn't do the entire wall, as we will be taking out these windows and putting a doorway into a future dining room. Then I added some shiplap beside the kitchen window, and then I cleaned and primed the window trim. I didn't get to painting it, but I hope to do that next week. I did get the kitchen cabinet doors sanded down, and they are ready to be painted. I had hoped to get this done this week, but I just didn't get around to it. So I got this light fixture for free off of Facebook Marketplace. Someone was giving away actually 2 of these along with a larger light fixture, so I got all 3 for free. I took this one apart so that I could spray paint it. It was a longer pendant. Hey, kitty. So there's a longer pendant, but we took off the like the little tubing or whatever. But this will be easier to spray paint, and I'm going to be spray painting it this black matte color. Obie installed this light over the kitchen sink, and I think it looks great and adds just the right touch to the kitchen. We also worked on rewiring all the outlets in the kitchen. Obie had to crawl around in the attic some more, and he attached the new wire, and then I pulled the old wiring out of the outlets, and then he installed the new outlet plugins. In the bathroom, we finally got the final parts we needed to finish up the bathroom sink. And we got it all put together and turned it on, and it works great. We did have to make a cutout in the top drawer so that it would fit nicely around the plumbing, but overall it worked out great. Then my mom helped me hang the mirror over the sink along with a little cabinet over the toilet. The bathroom is so close to being completely done. We just have a few more pieces of trim that need to be installed, and then we will be all finished up. But I am loving how the bathroom is looking thus far, and I think it turned out great. So my mom painted the gas heater in the living room using a high heat spray paint. This definitely helped update it and made it look a lot nicer. I am planning on building a faux fireplace mantle over this heater, and I think that it will definitely help make this old heater look a lot nicer. She then helped me hang some curtains in one of the bedrooms. Obie installed corner round in the hallway along with Jess's help.
Thank you guys for watching this video.
And be sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up, and we will see you guys next week. What week is it? It's 8, isn't it? Or just 7? I think it's 8. You gonna do this? What are you gonna say?
Well, I'm getting older.
Okay. Hey guys.
No? Thank you so much for watching this video and boring us.
Scratch it or break it.